Hello guys, welcome back to our channel CSE Concepts with Parinita. So guys, as you all know, nowadays we are learning aptitude. Fine. We have started our session of aptitude weekly. Means every week we are having 3 sessions of aptitude. And in every new session, I am trying to cover one new topic of aptitude. In that we are always trying to solve 10 to 15 different questions of the same topic so that whatever you are preparing for, let's say campus interview or any PSU exams, GATE, UGC NET, any exam you are preparing for, that topic will be completely prepared so that in exam, if any question pops up from that particular topic, you will be able to answer them, right? So today's topic that we are going to learn is number series and sequences. Again, like any other topic, in this topic also, I will show you 10 to 15 different types of examples and we will try to see, because see, this is a topic, what happens in number series and sequences. They are giving you a particular sequence and then they are giving you one or multiple dash, fill in the blanks. So you have to recognize the pattern of the given number series, and continuing that pattern, you have to write that what will be the next possible number in that blank. Right? So in this type of question, the main thing that matters is practice. The more you practice the different types of series you see, you will get more idea that what kind of possibilities are there, right? So in this video, I am doing that only, that I have taken 10 to 15 different types of series, right? That in every series, you will see different kinds of patterns so that you will get clear idea that what are the different possibilities, what are the different directions in which you have to think to get the answer of the blank. Fine. Okay, now before starting, let me tell you, I hope there are many students I know there are many students who are finding this series of aptitude helpful. They are joining me in every new session of aptitude. Thank you so much guys for supporting. But let me tell you, if whoever is watching this video for the first time, and if you have not yet visited or watched our previous videos of aptitude, please go and do that after this video, because let me tell you, we have almost covered all the important topics of aptitude like permutation and combination, profit and loss, percentage, probability, number system, time and work. All these important topics of aptitude we have already covered with multiple examples, and many students are finding it helpful also. Fine. So if you have not visited that, please go and watch those videos also after this topic, because it is really going to be helpful to you in your aptitude preparation. Okay guys, so without wasting much time, let's see these examples and we will quickly see how to identify the pattern and how to answer these questions quickly. So see, let's see the first pattern. 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 dash. So this is actually a very simple one. You can clearly see, let me tell you, whenever any question is given to you, first of all, I can say repeated possibility. The main possibilities are, you can get square of numbers, squares of series. You can get cubes of series. You can get a particular pattern of addition, right? Pattern of addition. Similarly, you can get pattern of subtraction, multiplication or division also. Fine. So these three are the main patterns, or we can say that very popular patterns that are being asked. Fine. So whenever any series is given to you, you can check these things first, that whether it is the series of any square of numbers or not, whether it is the series of cube of numbers or not, or whether it is the series of any particular pattern of addition, subtraction, multiplication or division or not. Fine. So if you see this question, we can clearly see that 4 is what? 2 square. This is 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, right? So clearly you can see that we are having the pattern of squares. So 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. So obviously the next number should be 7 square, right? So the answer of this blank would be 49. As simple as that. Okay. Now let's see the next one. 14, 916, 2536. Now if you check them, they are not the pattern of squares. No, because 14 is not the square of any number. Are they pattern of cube? No, because 14 is not the answer of any cube, right? Because see, we know that 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. Fine. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. That means 14 is not the answer of cube of any number, right? So this sequence is not the square of any numbers. This sequence is neither the cube of any numbers. So what? So these are the common possibilities that we have already checked. Now, if you observe the numbers carefully, see, in the number series and sequences, the main thing that plays a very important role is your observation. Now, I have checked the simple ones. It is not following any of them. Now, next, I have to observe these numbers very carefully. Now, as soon as I observe these numbers very carefully, I am getting that here we are having 1 and 4. Here 1 is actually 1 square and 4 is actually 2 square. Now, if I observe this number carefully, 9 is my 3 square and 16 is my 4 square. Okay, so 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Let's see if it is continuing or not. Yes, 25 is my 5 square, 36 is my 6 square. So, up to now it is very clear that 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. That means this number should be the combination of 7 square and 8 square. Right? 7 square is my 49 and 8 square is my 64. So 4964 is the number that should come in this blank. Right? So again, see, this is a very interesting question. This is not the separate squares, but combination of two squares number are there. Similarly, they can give you the combination of 3 squares, 4 squares, 5 squares also. Right? Like they can give you 149 here, 16, 25, 36 here, and then they can ask you something else. Got it? So this is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. So here the number will be 7 square, 8 square and 9 square. Got it? So this type of question is also possibility. Fine. So here what I want to do is, my aim is to show you different types of possibilities so that any new question comes to you, you can easily guess that question out of these all possibilities that we are doing now. Fine. So these are also some of the possibilities of question that can come. So you have to observe the questions very carefully. Now see the next question. Here we can see that 2 ones are there. That means 1 is repeated. Fine. 2 ones are there. Then we are having 2, then 4, then decreasing 3, then increasing 7, then decreasing 4. Whenever this type of series is there where the numbers are increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing, at that time you have to be clear that there is not a single series, there is 2 series working here. Got it? Got the point? Like here in the first question the numbers are increasing. In the second question also the number are increasing. But here the numbers are increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. That means what? Most probably the possibility is that there are 2 series possible here. So mostly whenever there are 2 series possible, what happens? That alternately the numbers are coordinated. Let's see here, if we see the alternate numbers 1, 2, until alternate means leaving one number. Fine. So 1, then leaving this is 2, leaving this number, this is 3, leaving this is 4. So yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means I am getting continuous numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this alternate number should be 6. Getting the sequence very simple. Now if we see, now one more blank is there. For this blank we should see that what is the number of alternate numbers of series that we left. So here we are having 1, here we are having 4, 7, 10, 13. So if I observe these remaining numbers very carefully, I can clearly see that there is a difference of 3. That means 1 plus 3 will give me 4. 4 plus 3 will give me 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. Now if I want this, I can do 13 plus 3, which will give me 16. Got it? So it is that simple. You have to do these types of observations. So 6 and 16 are my numbers of these 2 blanks. Okay. Now let's see next example. Okay. Now see, this is our next example. Here we are having 3, 9, 11, 13, 14, 18, 24, 26, 28, 29, 33. So yes, if you observe it properly, so see, like there is no particular difference. What I have told that it is possible that particular difference of addition, subtraction or multiplication can be there. But here first, here 3 and 9, that means the gap of 6 numbers is there. Here the gap of only 2 numbers. Here also 2 numbers. But here 1 number. Here 4. Here again 6. Okay. So I think there is a pattern. See. If we see the difference of these two numbers, it is plus 6. If we see the difference of these two numbers, it is plus 2. Getting 3 plus 6 is 9. Similarly, 9 plus 2 is 11. Difference of these two numbers is again plus 2. Okay. Difference of these two is plus 1. Difference of these two is plus 4. Difference of these two. See, we don't know whether it will work out or not. But obviously, you have to do certain try and error. Fine. Then only you can get the answer. Okay. Now again, if we proceed similarly, the difference of these two is 2. The difference of these two is again 2. The difference of these two is 28, 29, 1. The difference of these two is 4. So see, is there any pattern? 6, 2, 2, 1, 4. 6, 2, 2, 1, 4. Yes, I can clearly see that this particular pattern, this 5 is repeating. That means, see, the series can be direct 1, 1, 1, 1 series, or we can have double series, or we can have that the series is a group of pattern. Fine. So these are the different types of possibilities that I have brought for you. I have taken these types of different questions just so that your mind can be open. Fine. You can see that all these are the possibilities. So whenever you are solving any question of number series and sequences, you have to think about all these possibilities. Got it? That means here this is pattern 1. This is pattern 2. Up to here pattern 2. See, 6, 2, 2, 1, 4. 6, 2, 2, 1, 4. This is completing. That means from here again pattern 3 will start. So pattern 3 means again plus 6, plus 2, plus 2, plus 1, plus 4. So first one is plus 6. So here what I will get? 33 plus 6. That means 39. Right? So this blank will contain 39 and 39 is our answer. In case one more blank is there, so what will be the answer? Plus 6. After plus 6 we are having plus 2. So 39 plus 2. So the next blank would be 41. Got it? So in this way you will find the answer. Fine. Now this is one more question. Let's see what will happen here. 2, 8, 24, 12. Okay. See here again 2, 8, 24. Then again the number is decreasing. That is 12. Then 48, 144, again decreasing 72. So here also it is clear that we will have 2, 3 different types of logics involved here because the numbers are increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing like that. Right? Okay, so let's see. If we see these two, the relation between these two is either it is plus 6, okay, or it is multiplied by 4. Because 2 plus 6 is 8. It can be plus 6 also. But 2 into 4 is 8. So it can be into 4 also. Fine. Okay. If we see these three, then it can be either plus 8. It can be plus 16 or it can be into 3. Fine. If we see these two seems divided by 2. Got it? These two seems divided by 2. Now, again if we see these two, this is multiplied by 4 or plus 36. Okay. But see, here it is multiplied by 4, repeating. So let's see the next. Multiplied by 4. So again let's see, is it also multiplying by 3? Yes, it is also multiplying by 3 because 48 into 3 is 144. And what about 144 and 72? This is half. Right? 144's half is 72. That means divided by 2. So yes, I think into 4 into 3 divided by 2. Again into 4 into 3 divided by 2. So I think yes, this can be our repeated pattern, because plus 6, plus 16, plus 36, we have tried them but they are not working here, right? So again let's see. So what pattern we have got? One is multiplied by 4. The next is multiplied by 3 and the next is divided by 2. So we have got this pattern 2 times. Now let's see if it is continuing the same or not. If it is continuing the same, we can say that this is the right pattern. Otherwise, we will have to think about some other pattern, right? Now, up to here divided by 2 is completed. Now again let's see if it is divided into 4 or not. So if we do 72 into 4, 4 2s are 8 and 7 4s are 28. So yes, right, into 4 will give me this. Now again if we check this, into 3, this into 3 will give me this. Yes, right. So into 4 into 3, then we are having divided by 2. So this divided by 2 will give me 432. So this is our right pattern and 432 is our answer for this. Fine. So in this way you have to check out different possibilities. Then you have to determine that out of the different possibilities that you have taken, what is the right possibility. Fine, like we have determined here. So here the answer is 432. So in this way we have already seen 5 different types of examples. Let us solve some more examples to get clear idea. Now let's see this next question. 5, 11, 24, 51 dash 217. So if we see these two numbers, 5 into 2 is 10 and but here we are having 11. That means it can be either plus 6 or it can be into 2 plus 1. Okay. If we check these two, it can be either plus 13 or it can be 11 into is 22 into 2 plus 2. So see, plus 6 plus 13, it is not making any like exact pattern, but here I am getting something into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2. So let's see if I am getting into 2 plus 3 or not. 24 into 2 is 48. 48 plus 3 is 51. So yes, I am getting this. So this can be my pattern. Into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 3, into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 2 and into 2 plus 3. So if I get the next one, it should be into 2 plus 4. And whatever I will get, if I want to check it is correct or not, it should give me into 2 plus 5, it should give me 217. So let's say 51 into 2 will give us 102. 102 plus 4 will, yes, it will give me 51 into 2 will give me 102. 102 plus 4 will give me 106. 106. Now to check if it is correct or not, 106 into 2 will give me 106 into 2 will give me 212 and 212 plus 5 will give me 217. So yes, this pattern is the correct pattern. So see, this is again one of the possibilities where the pattern can be into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 2, into 2 plus 3. That means multiplying all the number by 2 and then adding them by one increasing number. Fine. So this can also be one of our patterns. So these all are the possibilities that you have to keep in mind while solving any example. Right? Okay. Now let's see second one. 7, 26, 63, 124, 215 and dash. So yes, here the number is increasing, continuously increasing numbers. So what can be the possibility? See this number. We know that 2 cube is 8. But this is 1 less, that is 7. What is 3 cube? 3 cube is 27. This is again 1 less. 4 cube is 64. This is again 1 less. That means yes, we are going in the right direction. This is 2 cube minus 1. This is 3 cube minus 1. Similarly, this is 4 cube minus 1. Again, we know that 5 cube is 125 and this is minus 1. Okay. Similarly, this is 6 cube minus 1. So, this should be my 7 cube minus 1. We know that the value of 7 cube is 343 minus 1. That is equal to, that means the number here should be 342. Got it? So, this is our pattern for this particular series. Now let's see the next one. 2, 12, 360 dash and this. Okay. So here the numbers are increasing exponentially. See, first one digit number 2, then 12, then directly 360, then one blank is there, then directly this much big number. That means it is not simple addition, it is not simple multiplication, but it should be, see, when the numbers are increasing exponentially up to this great extent, that means this is the multiplication with some cube or square. Fine. In this way you have to observe that here, see, we are starting with 2, but after just 3 numbers the number is so big. That means generally this type of series is what it is the multiplication with cube or square of numbers. Then in those cases we can get this much big number. So if you observe it properly, this is 2, okay, fine. This 12 you can write it as 2 cube into 3. Fine. 2 cube is 8. Sorry, 2 square into 3. This is 2 means what? 2 raised to 1. If you observe this 12, you can write it as 2 square into 3. If you observe this 360, you can write it as 2 cube into 3 square. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 actually. See, understand this thing, how it is happening. This is only 2 raised to 1. Nothing else is there. Here the power of 2 is increased and one more number is there, that is 3. Okay. Here one power of 2 is increased, one power of 3 is increased, and we are multiplying it with odd prime numbers. See, 5. That means what? We are multiplying it with odd prime numbers. Similarly, following the pattern, here the power of 2 will be increased. The power of 3 will also be increased. The power of 5 will also be, see, the power will be increased by 1, 1, 1. Here 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. 3 raised to 1, 3 raised to 2, 3 raised to 3. 5 raised to 1, 5 raised to 2. And here what odd number will come? 7 will come. Got it? So this is kind of, you can say that little bit of complex one, but yes, this is how the series is going on. Generally in competitive exams they are not asking this much complex, but I just wanted to take this example so that you will get a possibility in your mind that yes, this kind of series is also possible. So solving this, we will get the number here is 75600. So got this pattern, this kind of pattern are also possible. Fine. Now at the end, let's see 2 last examples, 9th and 10th example, because these 2 are actually frequently asked questions. They are simple, but unless and until you practice, you will find them also difficult. Fine. So these are actually easy. See, this is 0, 2, 6, 12 dash. So this is what? This 0 is actually 1 square minus 1. This 2 is actually 2 square minus 2. 1 square minus 1 is 1 minus 1. That will give you 0. 2 square minus 2 will give you 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. Similarly, 3 square minus 3, 1 square minus 1, 2 square minus 1, 3 square minus 3, 4 square minus 4, 5 square minus 5, 6 square minus 6, and so on. So see, similarly 3 square is 9 minus 3, that is equal to 6. Here we got 6. 4 square is 16 minus 4. So here we got 12. Similarly here 5 square. What will be the next number? 5 square. 5 square is 25 minus 5. So 25 minus 5 will give us 20. So here after 0, 2, 6, 12, the next number will be 20. Okay. So this is the pattern. 1 square minus 1, 2 square minus 2, 3 square minus 3, 4 square minus 4, 5 square minus 5, and so on. If you see this is also quite similar, but here the pattern is, this one is 2 raised to 1 minus 1 is 1. This is 2 raised to 2 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Similarly, you got the pattern 2 cube minus 1, 2 raised to 4 minus 1, 2 raised to 5 minus 1. So here 8 minus 1 is 7. We already have 7. Yes. 2 raised to 4 is 16 minus 1. Yes. This is 15. Now, so what will be the blank? 2 raised to 5, that is equal to 16 into 2, that is 32, minus 1 will give us 31. So, here the number that should come in this blank is 31. Fine. So, these are also the possibilities, and these are actually considered, these examples are considered as comparatively easy series and sequences. Fine. 1 square minus 1, 2 square minus 2, like that, or 1 square or 2 square minus 2 raised to 1 minus 1, 2 raised to 2 minus 1, 2 raised to 3 minus 1, 2 raised to 4 minus 1, like this. Now, instead of this 2, the series of 3 can also be asked, where the series will be 3 cube, 3 raised to 1 minus 1, 3 raised to 2 minus 1, 3 raised to 3 minus 1, and so on. Fine. So, these are actually different possibilities. Like this, unlimited possibilities can be there. But here in the 10 different examples, I have tried to show you 10 different types of logic, so that if any question pops up in your mind, you at least know that in which direction you need to think. You at least know that what are the possibilities that can be there, and with respect to the question, with respect to your observation, you have to proceed with your procedure. Fine. I hope this video of number series and sequences was helpful to you. Please let me know in the comment section whether it is helpful to you or not. And if you liked it, please hit the like button and share this video with all your friends, colleagues, juniors and seniors, so that this series of aptitude will be helpful to all. Thank you so much.